When we say plant propagation is a process of creating new plants. There are two what you call this two types of propagation propagating plants, the sexual and asexual propagation. So when we say sexual propagation, it involves uh, floral parts of a plant. So it is a taking part of one parent plant and causing it to regenerate itself into a new plant. So it is a natural way of propagating the plant through seeds. The advantages of sexual propagation are that it may be cheaper and quicker than the other methods because you are only going to use seeds for this type of method. So you're just going to plant through seed, germinate seeds, and you're done. And if you're going to if you're going to use a certain species, the same variety, so you can have it. It is a way to avoid also transmission of certain diseases. So the second type of propagating plant is through asexual propagation. So it may be easier and faster in some species. So it may be the only way to propagate some cultivars. It may bypasses the juvenile characteristics of a special, what you call this, a special species. So asexual propagation, as mentioned earlier, is the best way to maintain some species, particularly an individual that best represents that species. So clones are groups of plants that are identical to their parent and that can be propagated asexually. There are 5 examples. Number 1, cutting. Number 2, layering. Number 3, marcotting. Number 4, grafting. And number 5, budding. How to how to plant or how to cultivate plant through cuttings. So this is the first type of uh, way of propagating plant. You will be given an idea on how to perform this type of propagating plant through layering. How to market a San Francisco ornamental plant or a Marpagayo plant. So today I will also show to you the simple or the simple materials that can be seen in the resources that are available in our community. So I will demonstrate to you today on how to uh, perform or how to do the grafting. The fifth type of method in propagation is through budding. So we will take example, or we will take one bud from the plant and we will transfer it to another plant. That is budding.